Hello, my name is Nicole Terrio, and I am the U.S. Consul General in Karachi. Today, we join Pakistanis to celebrate Sindh Cultural Day. We do it with the understanding that many are still recovering from the plight of the devastating floods this year. This day, we commemorate Sindh's rich history and culture, and I thank the people of Sindh for your warmth and hospitality as I continue to learn more about Sindhi history, poetry, and culture. On behalf of everyone at the U.S. Consulate General in Karachi, I wish you a happy Sindh Cultural Day and remind you that the people and the government of the United States stand with the flood-affected people of Sindh and Balochistan in these difficult times.
I echo the words of Consul General Terrio and remind our Pakistani friends that we are with you in these difficult times. We wish that your traditional celebrations will bring us together after each and every family is rehabilitated.
Sindh jo Saqaafati, Dihaarho Mubarak Hujy. Happy Sindh Cultural Day.
Sindh jo Saqaafati, Dihaarho Mubarak Hujy. Happy Sindh Cultural Day.
Sindh jo Saqaafati, Dihaarho Mubarak Hujy. Happy Sindh Cultural Day.
Sindh jo Saqaafati, Dihaarho Mubarak Hujy. Happy Sindh Cultural Day.